Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by removing obvious hardware barriers. Unplug and replug headphones or USB audio, then make sure any physical mute switch and the keyboard mute key are off. Once done, click the taskbar volume icon or open sound settings to start software troubleshooting. You do this because hardware mute overrides software. Resolving physical issues first saves time. Now proceed directly into the operating system controls. Don't skip straight to drivers yet, because we need the system audio. Next, pick the correct playback device in sound settings and set it as the default so audio routes to the right hardware. Make sure the device volume slider is above 0 and the mute box is unchecked. Then inspect per app volumes in the mixer because some apps mute independently. Once set, open Advanced Properties to check sample rate, disable exclusive mode if apps capture audio, and turn off audio enhancements that can silence output. These steps fix routing and configuration causes of muted sound. To finish, restart the Windows Audio Service or toggle Bluetooth for wireless headsets so the system reinitializes the audio stack. This often unblocks muted outputs. If sound still fails, update or reinstall the audio driver via Device Manager, and roll back if a recent update caused the problem. Finally, test with external speakers to isolate hardware versus software. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip. Perform a clean boot to eliminate third-party conflicts that silently mute audio and then restore services selectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.